Have you ever wondered how a small Bluetooth speaker can shake a whole room? Most of these gadgets use something called a passive radiator. Instead of using power to move every part, the main driver uses air pressure to vibrate a secondary, unpowered cone. This trick creates deep, booming bass that usually requires a much larger subwoofer. It is the ultimate hack for portable sound that defies the laws of physics. It is essentially airbending for music lovers. If you love loud beats, smash that like button and subscribe for more speaker secrets every single day.